Hey, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex. I'm doing this video because a while ago, maybe 5 days ago, someone asked, "Hey, do you still have that gold miners portfolio?" I thought that was a great idea for a video, so I'm going to go ahead and walk through my gold miners portfolio. Before I do that, I want to say that I think the reason why he asked that is because maybe he was curious about how my gold miners portfolio is doing in times of maybe a correction, maybe a bear market or something like that. Basically, when the market's not doing so well, how good is gold as an investment? Now, first off, I want to answer this question pretty quickly. So, I don't think that gold is guaranteed to do well in times of stock market corrections. Um, it can be used as a hedge, which I can talk about in a separate video, but I just want to dispel the myth right now that when the market does this, gold will not do that, or it's not guaranteed that gold will do that. Just very quickly, let's walk through gold over the last maybe 30 years. So in 2008, there was a stock market recession, and gold also had its own mini recession. But from 2000 all the way to 2010, gold and the market rallied pretty much together. Then from 2011 to 2015, gold was in the 4 year bear market. And between 2015 all the way up to now, I personally believe that gold is in the bull market. And that's why I'm buying gold. Not because it's going to do something that the market doesn't, but because I think we're in the early stages of a new bull market. And that's definitely very exciting to me. However, I do think that it can be used as a hedge at times. So here in the 2008 recession, while the S&P 500 and even the Nasdaq lost 50% or more of its value, gold only lost about 30% of its value. So that's very similar to a consumer staple type stock, maybe like Procter and Gamble or something, or Costco, or any kind of other defensive stock. The only downside about owning gold, and you're going to hear Warren Buffett say this, is gold does not pay a dividend. So it's very much, it's not for everybody. With that being said, I don't directly buy gold. I don't own any physical gold, but I do buy and love owning gold mining stocks. So let's walk through my gold miners portfolio. All right, so this is my gold miners portfolio ever since August 27th. So clearly the market's down ever since August 27th. That may have even been at the peak, or I know the peak was somewhere in September or October actually. But here since August 27th, exactly right here, we're down around 6%. And that's just the overall market. A lot of other tech stocks are doing a lot worse since October 27th. But my gold miners portfolio is absolutely flat. Now, I will note that I'm probably going to make some changes, especially for the stocks that aren't doing so well. I think the worst one is definitely EGO, Eldorado Corp. Let's go ahead and take a look at EGO. So it's absolutely showing no demand. And we even made a lower low relative to the low printed here at the start of 2016, which is when a lot of gold mining stocks rallied. So, something's not right here if there's absolutely no rally over the last couple months. So I've been owning these stocks for about a couple months. I'm going to have to make the decision of whether to cut some of the laggards and just keep some of the winners. We'll see how it goes. I want to see some kind of demand over the last couple months. So something like AGI is another laggard, which I may consider cutting. The only reason why I haven't, considered cutting it that bad is because we still haven't made a lower low relative to this low. So either way, we can make a really deep retracement. I do think that gold is setting up for another rally pretty soon. So we'll see how everything does over the next couple months, whether or not I'm going to cut some of these stocks. But I'm probably going to link my gold miners portfolio in the description below in case you guys want to check any of them out. I do also want to show some of the ones that are winning quite a bit. So Barrick is probably my biggest winner. And I think Barrick is the largest holding in GDX, which is the gold miners portfolio. So Barrick, I'm probably averaged at around $10 actually, because I'm up around 20% on this one. So we are seeing some overhead resistance here on the weekly time frame. We got the 50 and the 200 right above us. Weekly RSI did get oversold, so a lot of these gold miners did actually see oversold conditions on the weekly time frame. The question is like, what happens now? We got the lower low, we got some overhead resistance. So which way are we going to break? Obviously, my money's to the upside. That's why I'm investing in gold. But yeah, so basically, the moral of the story is that some of these stocks can run. They can completely get out of hand and double or triple in a very short period of time. And that's why I like the gold miners so much, is because you only need gold to go up maybe like 10% or like $100 an ounce in order to see some really extravagant gains on these gold miners. So that's why I like them so much. And some of them actually pay a dividend. So I believe Barrick pays a dividend. Could definitely be wrong on that. Okay, so Barrick pays around 1% of a dividend yield. They don't pay that much of a dividend. They might pay around 1% or 1.5%. At most, it's going to be like 2% or something like that. But either way, any kind of dividend is better than no dividend at all. So yeah, I don't want to overdo it with this video, but yeah, I just want to say that it's flat right now, whereas a lot of my other M1 Finance portfolios are actually in the red, at least 3% or 4% or something bad. So literally what I could do is I could sell some of these winners, like AU, like Barrick, like B2G, like GFI, and actually pour some of that money into my other stocks or something like that. That's kind of the point of a hedge. I probably won't do that, but if I wanted to, at least I have some kind of gains that I can move around and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you're buying gold too. I think it's a very interesting investment that a lot of people aren't doing, but it has some potential to give you really good returns. So hope you have a great day and good luck trading.